A court in Abuja has dismissed the lawsuit filed by Ali Bello against Senator Natasha Uduaghan. Bello had accused the senator of invading his privacy by posting a photo of his house on social media. The case began in March 2024 after the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC) announced it was suing former Kogi State Governor Yaya Bello over an alleged 84 billion naira fraud. In response to the EFCC's post, Senator Natasha Uduaghan tweeted, referring to a house she said was among the properties being investigated. She included a photo of the house which Bello said it was his home. Ali Bello, who is the nephew of the former Kogi State Governor Yaya Bello, said the post invaded his privacy. It took the senator to court and demanded a public apology and 1 billion naira in damages. Justice Ivanos Orji, who ruled on the case, said Senator Natasha Uduaghan's post was improper but did not break the law. He explained that although Bello has a right to privacy, it did not prove that Senator Natasha Uduaghan's actions violated that right. The judge said, it is wrong for a senator to post someone's house and address on social media. He still dismissed the case and did not grant Bello any money or apology. It's worth noting that Senator Natasha is also involved in another legal battle. She is challenging a suspension from the Senate, and the case has been adjourned to 27th of June 2025. You can as well share your thoughts in the comment box section below. We'll continue to supply you more news updates and exclusive videos. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.